warning is issued, every second counts. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared to act immediately. The fury of twisters, why safety matters. Tornadoes are one of nature's most violent storms, capable of immense destruction in a matter of minutes. Tornadoes are serious business. They are powerful rotating columns of air that can cause massive destruction. These storms can form quickly, often with little warning, and their paths can be unpredictable, making them especially dangerous. These swirling giants can pack winds of over 300 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's faster than the speed limit on most highways and even faster than the winds in a Category 5 hurricane. That's faster than a race car. Imagine the force and power behind such winds, capable of turning everyday objects into deadly projectiles. Tornadoes can level houses, uproot trees, and send cars flying. The aftermath of a tornado can leave communities devastated, with homes destroyed, infrastructure damaged, and lives turned upside down. It's crucial for families to be prepared. Having an emergency kit ready, knowing the safest place in your home to take shelter, and practicing tornado drills can make a significant difference. Knowing what to do during a tornado can save lives. When a tornado warning is issued, every second counts. Taking immediate action and moving to a safe location can be the difference between life and death. Let's learn how to stay safe during these extreme weather events. Stay informed by keeping an eye on weather alerts and understanding the signs of an approaching tornado, such as a dark, greenish sky or a loud roar similar to a freight train. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Communities can come together to support each other, share resources, and ensure that everyone knows what to do in the event of a tornado. By understanding the dangers of tornadoes and taking the right precautions, we can weather the storm together. Preparedness, awareness, and community support are key to minimizing the impact of these powerful storms and ensuring the safety of all. Run for cover. Finding the safest spot is crucial when severe weather strikes. Tornadoes can form quickly, and you might have only moments to react. When a tornado warning is issued, every second counts. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared to act immediately. It's time to act fast and seek shelter immediately. Don't wait until you see the tornado. By then it might be too late. But not just any shelter will do. You need to choose the safest possible location within your home or building. The safest place to be is a small, interior room on the lowest level of your home. This minimizes the risk of injury from flying debris and structural collapse. This could be a basement, a storm cellar, or any underground space that offers protection from the storm's powerful winds. If you don't have a basement or storm cellar, an interior closet or bathroom can also provide a safe haven. These rooms typically have no windows and are surrounded by walls, offering better protection. The key is to put as many walls as possible between you and the tornado. The more barriers, the better your chances of staying safe. Get low to the ground and cover your head and neck with your arms. This position helps protect vital areas from flying debris and potential impacts. If you have a sturdy piece of furniture like a workbench or a heavy table, get under it for added protection. This can shield you from falling objects and provide an extra layer of security. It's also wise to have an emergency kit ready. This should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and any necessary medications. Practice your tornado drill regularly with your family. Knowing exactly what to do and where to go can save precious seconds when a real emergency strikes. Stay informed by listening to weather updates and alerts. A weather radio can be a lifesaver, especially if power and internet services are disrupted. Above all, stay calm. Panic can lead to mistakes. By staying composed and following your plan, you can increase your chances of staying safe during a tornado. Once the storm has passed, carefully emerge from your shelter. Be cautious of any hazards like downed power lines or unstable structures. Remember, community support is vital. Help your neighbors if you can, and work together to recover and rebuild after the storm. Shield up, protecting yourself from debris. Tornadoes are notorious for turning everyday objects into dangerous projectiles. Flying debris is a major threat during these storms. That's why it's essential to protect yourself from potential impact. Use anything you can find to provide a barrier between you and flying debris. Pillows, blankets, sleeping bags, and even mattresses can be used as padding. If you have helmets available, put them on. Bicycle helmets, sports helmets, anything to protect your head. Remember, every layer of protection counts. By taking these steps to shield yourself, you significantly increase your chances of staying safe during a tornado. Stay in the know. Weather updates are key. Staying informed about weather conditions is crucial, especially during tornado season. A battery-powered weather radio is an essential tool for every household. Make sure it's tuned to your local NOAA weather radio station. This will provide you with up-to-date information about severe weather threats. Your smartphone is another valuable resource for weather information. Download a reliable weather app that provides real-time alerts and warnings. Keep your phone charged and handy in case of emergencies. Section 5. Windows are not your friends. Steering clear of danger. It might be tempting to peek outside during a tornado to see what's happening, but resist the urge. Windows are one of the most dangerous places to be during a tornado. The extreme wind pressure can shatter windows with incredible force, sending shards of glass flying through the air like dangerous projectiles. Stay far away from windows and find shelter in an interior room. If you have time before taking cover, you can further minimize the risk of flying glass by closing curtains or blinds. Section 6. Ride out the storm. Patience is your ally. In the face of nature's fury, patience can be your greatest strength. It's not just about waiting, it's about waiting wisely and safely. Once you've found a safe place and taken all necessary precautions, it's time to wait out the storm. This means ensuring that your shelter is secure, that you have all the necessary supplies, and that everyone in your group knows the plan. Stay put and remain calm. Panic can lead to mistakes, and in a situation as critical as a tornado, mistakes can be costly. Keep your family close, reassure each other, and focus on staying safe. Tornadoes can be unpredictable, and it's essential to remain in your shelter until the danger has passed. Even if it seems like the storm is over, it's crucial to stay put until you are certain it's safe. Don't be fooled by a sudden lull in the wind or a break in the storm. These can be deceptive and may lead you to believe the danger has passed when it hasn't. It could be the calm before another, potentially more powerful rotation. Tornadoes often have multiple cycles, and the eye of the storm can be misleadingly tranquil. Continue monitoring weather updates on your radio or phone. Staying informed is crucial. Weather conditions can change rapidly, and having the latest information can help you make the best decisions for your safety. Only emerge from your shelter when the authorities have given the all-clear signal. This ensures that the threat has truly passed, and it is safe to come out. Remember, patience is key when it comes to staying safe during a tornado. It's not just about waiting, it's about waiting with purpose and vigilance. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones depend on it, so stay calm, stay informed, and stay patient. Section 7. Be prepared. The emergency kit essential. Every family should have an emergency kit readily available in case of a tornado or any other natural disaster. This kit should contain essential supplies to help you get through the first few days after a disaster. Include items like water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food such as canned goods and energy bars, a first aid kit, a battery-powered flashlight and extra batteries, medications, and copies of important documents. Store your emergency kit in a safe and easily accessible location. Make sure everyone in the family knows where it's kept. If you live in an area prone to tornadoes, consider creating a designated tornado-safe room in your home. This room should be specifically reinforced to withstand high winds and flying debris. Choose an interior room on the lowest level, ideally without windows. Reinforce the walls, ceiling, and door with impact-resistant materials. A tornado-safe room provides an extra layer of protection during these severe weather events. It can offer peace of mind knowing you have a designated space to seek refuge when a tornado threatens. Once the storm has passed and it's safe to emerge from your shelter, it's time to assess the situation. Check on your family members and neighbors to ensure everyone is safe. Be cautious when moving around. There may be debris, downed power lines, or other hazards. If your home has been damaged, check for gas leaks, water leaks, and structural damage. Contact your local authorities to report any damage or injuries. Avoid using phones unless it's an emergency to keep lines clear for emergency responders. The aftermath of a tornado can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Communities come together in times of need to support each other. Reach out to your neighbors, friends, and family for assistance. Check on elderly neighbors and those who may need extra help. Local organizations and relief agencies will also provide support. Be patient and work together as a community to recover and rebuild. Tornadoes are a force of nature that demands our respect and preparedness. By understanding the dangers they pose and following these safety tips, you can significantly increase your chances of weathering the storm safely. Remember, knowledge is power. Share this information with your family and friends. Discuss your tornado safety plan together. By being prepared, we can face these powerful storms with confidence and resilience. Stay safe and weather aware.